Stop it.
What?
So, I just noticed today that there's bubbles in the house. Randomly bubbles in the house.
Like this thing. Woo!
That's not a bubble, Dale.
That's a bubble?
Dale! That's not a bubble. So yeah, guys, those are some weird things. Bubbles in our house. Like, see, there's bubbles raining on Tucker right now and Mia over there, sadly.
Okay, Eli, guess what? Let's shine the light at the camera.
Okay, Okay, Dale. It's raining bubbles. So there's bubbles everywhere. It's so.
No, there's not.
Yeah, Dale. Yeah, there is.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Dale. He's blind. He's really blind.
You are blind.
So yeah, look at those blankets. Bubbles everywhere. Gotta suffocate. So yeah, guys, that was the bubble video today. So yeah, peace.